Okay, guys, we are going to work problem number 40 on page 769. Okay, problem 40 says radio transmitting station A is located 200 miles east of transmitting station B. So let's draw a line right here. And here's A and here's B. A is 200 miles east of B. So this would be 100, 0, and this would be negative 100, 0. Okay, and those are going to be the focuses where the transmitting stations are. A ship in the area north and 40 miles west of Station A, there's a ship. So up here somewhere, the X value is going to be 60 because it's 40 miles west of Station A. If this is 100, this is 60 something. We don't know what Y is. Okay? And then there's going to be another hyperbola over here. A synchronized radio pulse is transmitted at 186,000 miles per second. That's pretty fast, miles per second. By the two stations are received 0.0 tenths, hundreds, thousands, 5 10,000ths of a second apart. So if you multiply these two numbers together, 186 times 5 10,000ths, I believe you get you get 93 miles. Okay, so that's 93 miles. So from here to here is your A, because the difference, remember the difference, this is the difference. The difference is equal to 2A when it's a hyperbola. So this point right here is 46.50, and this one is negative 46.5. 46.5, not 46.50, 46.5. How far north is the ship? Okay, so we know what A is. It's 46 miles, 46.5 miles. We can figure out B because we know C. And so with these hyperbolas, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And we know that A is 46.5 squared. And we know C is 100 squared. 100 squared is 1,000. And 46.5 is 2,162. So B squared is equal to 7,837.5. Okay? No, it's 0.75. 7,837.75, I believe. Okay? So our equation is x squared over 2,162.25 minus y squared over 7,837.75 is equal to 1. Okay, because this is A and this is B squared, A squared and B squared. Now, what we're trying to find is y. We know what x is, so this is some pretty serious math. I'm going to put 60 squared, and remember where I got my 60. This was 100, and this is 40 miles west of it, so that's 60 over 2,162. I believe that's supposed to be a 62.25 minus y squared over 7,837.75 equals 1. So now we have to solve for y squared. And so we're going to we're going to subtract. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change all the signs. I'm going to make this plus, this minus, and this minus. So when I move this over, I'm going to have y squared equals 60 squared over 2,162.25 minus 1. And then to get rid of this other, I'm going to multiply by 7,837 and 75 hundredths. That gets rid of that when I multiply both sides. And so I've already done this on my calculator. And so see if you can get this on your calculator. And you get y squared is equal to 5,211.5736. So you take the square root, and y is equal to 52 miles. So this point up here is 6052. Okay? I hope that makes sense.